Hello, everyone. This is continuation for T6. Okay. So, like I mentioned, on T6 is multiple representation. Oh, that's the way it's going to be tested. So, the first question we're going to do is the number 31. Okay. Number 31. So, here we have a given table represents some points in a graph of exponential function. Which function represent at the same relationship? Okay. Now, we have given table, no, and then we have equations or functions. So the easiest way to do this is just type the function or the equation and then look for the table or verify the table. Let's start with this. So unlike what we were doing with linear equation, we cannot use the y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b. We cannot use that. That's only good for linear equation. So now, right now, we have on exponential function. The first equation is f of x, or function is f of x equals 15 parentheses 5 divided by 6 close parentheses raised to x. So if you look at this, if you type that, you can see the graph. Okay, but we don't have graph right now in the given. We need the table. To find the table, I'm going to click the gear or the donut, and you're going to look for the table. So the first given here is -2 is 12.5. It says in the given, but here is 21.6. So I don't need to look for everything. The first equation or the first given x is wrong. So I'm going to change this, okay? So this is A is wrong. So since I already have this equation, I saw letter C. They just switched the number here. So this is 6 on top, 6 on top, and 5 at the bottom or the denominator. So I change it. So letter A is not working. Letter C also, it's not, because the given is -2 and -2 and the y is 12.5. This is not. It's -2 and 10.41. So now I'm going back to writing this. I'll use the B, 18, then 6 over 5. Now look at that. Letter B, I changed this to 18. The fractional inside is still 6 over 5. It matches the given on the table. So -2, 12.15, -1, 15, 0, 18, 1, 21 and 0.6, 21.6, and 2, 25.92. So the answer here is letter B. Okay, next question. The next question is question number 32. So on question number 32, this is linear equation, okay? No? So again, I can use the y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b. That's the easiest way, okay? But I'll show you the other way, okay, which is typing the equation. So I'm going to type this equation here. F raised to n. I'll put x instead of n. I'll put x. X equals -3x plus 24. Okay. So the given table, we have 1, 21, 3, 15, 6, 6, 7, 3. They're asking us, based on the table, which function models this substitute. So I replace n by x. That's easier for me. Okay. And then I'm going for the table. They said 1 is 21. Okay. It says there 1, 3, 6, 7. I can change this to 1, 1, 3, 6, 7. All right. I don't need this. All right. So looks like this is the answer. The first letter F is an answer. Okay. So this is the other way. Okay. Again, you can still use the other way to solve this. Again, letter F is the answer. Let's use the other way to solve this, which is you click the plus, click the table, type the numbers. Okay. 21, 15, 6, 3. And then the formula, y1 squiggly line, mx1 plus b. See? Now, my m is negative 3. So I'm going to just write that. Okay? Y equals negative 3. X, my y-intercept is 24 plus 24. So my line is on the same, like blue, and then the given was this, red. This is the given, and then I click to blue. The next line, it's overlapping. So that is the answer. Thank you.